What's up guys, welcome to Let's Program Team, and today we're doing a simple program, but we're not going to be doing programs for the first series, but we're going to be making a game. So in today's series we'll be doing a level for a game, and we will be doing a game similar to GMod. So first of all we're going to have to plan the game, the level we want to build, and then we're going to build in Unity. So that's one. We will require these softwares. I don't know if we're going to be using any of these, but it's up to you. So we're going to be using Unity to program the game, SketchUp for like building the model, or you can use 3ds Max. So these are the three programs we might be using. You can also use Blender if you wish, but alright. Before we get started, let's go and create a planner. So if we go to Paint, starting in Paint, what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple structure. So this is our whole level, right? And what's going to happen is we're going to have another level. Alright, so let's come. Alright, so what's going to happen is we're going to have like several rooms. So that's room 1. So that will be the storage room. That will be like the hiding room, for example, let's say. Like a little room. And then here we will have like another room, but in this room, this will be a bedroom. So we're gonna give quite a lot of options to hide in. Alright, so here we're just gonna have like a living room. So this is just like a little space for like pool table or something, I don't know, whatever you wish. And then we're also gonna add a kitchen. Oh god. Okay, so living room and also a kitchen. So the kitchen should be like small because we don't have a lot of things for it. So there should be the kitchen, right? And then here will be like the door. So we're gonna rename these in a minute, so don't worry. So door, and then we're also gonna have like a bush. We're gonna have the bushes, to be honest, so that we know how where everything goes. So this is just a simple plan, and yeah, I will be releasing this game if it's finished. So if you guys wish to download it, yeah, go ahead. But if it's only finished, I don't know when. But yeah. Alright, anyways. Okay. You can add little rooms, like anything you wish, I don't know. But yeah. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to rename it. So this will be storage room. Okay, this will be hiding room / small, and bedroom, and I don't know for now. I'll just leave it. Okay, we can do this one. Will be like entertainment room. And entertainment room, living room, and kitchen. Also little room here, which will be a toilet. Bushes, red rug, however you pronounce it, and we will also have like a small room, and also another. We will have pool table. Okay. Can't see that, but alright, anyways. So, here, door as well. Don't forget to rename your door. Oops. Apologize for that. Alright, so, we have a simple map set out already. So, I'm not going to be using any of these, but if you guys are good at using any of them, including Blender, you would be able to create a pretty good map. Pretty good house. So today I'm actually not going to be using that, but I'm just going to be using Unity. So yeah, if you guys aren't good at 3D modeling, my suggestion is to follow what I do within Unity. So if we open up Unity, we're going to have to create a new project. Let's rename it to, I don't know the name of the game yet, but let's just rename it level 1, and then press enter. Just wait for it to load up. When it loads up, it should be right here. Close down the welcome to Unity, you don't need that, and you will have nothing in your assets. You should have nothing in your assets, and the only thing you should have in your game is main camera. So if we go to game, you can't see nothing, it's just blue screen. So alright, let's get to the basic stuff, and we're not going to be using no terrain because that's just long and the map is massive for the terrain. So we're going to be using planes. So if, I've got Unity 4.6. If you guys want to use it, go ahead. I'll leave the download link in the description. And within these tutorials, I'll be showing you guys certain programming codes that you will require to make your game, such as JavaScript, C#, sorry, and yeah, these are the basic two. These are basically two programming languages that we are using. So if we get started, just create a folder and rename it to an environment. Apologize for the mistakes. Alright, another folder and call it level 1. Create 2 more folders, one for the objectives and one for the multiplier. Okay, I actually added it to my objectives folder, but okay, never mind. So we should have 4 folders, 1 environment, 1 level 1, 1 multiplier and 1 objectives. When that's done, all you need is to delete the main camera. That's the first thing. And then if you have 2 screens, this would be really helpful. Like me, I've got 2 screens so that I know what I'm doing, because the plan will go onto your other screen, and then you have basically your game here and your settings, and then you have your planning on the other monitor. Apologize for that. Okay, so we get started now with the main thing. We are not going to be importing nothing for now, but what we're going to do is we're also going to create another folder called textures. When that's done, okay, that's good. Go to create and then go to 3D objects and create a plane. So we should have a plane. So this will be for the storage room. I believe we will use this as storage, and then we will use this, we'll copy and paste that plane into another room, which will be the hiding room. So we're going to resize this. Well, you guys can use anything you guys like, because I've got Unity 4, it allows me to scale with it. So I suggest you guys download them before starting this tutorial. Okay, so when that's done, that's just a little room, right? And this is the storage room. And then we're going to make another bedroom. So if we click on our storage room and then copy and paste it. Oh god, I actually pressed B. Copy and paste it, and you. Oh god, I didn't copy it. Okay, I do apologize for it. For this, copy and paste it, and you drag it along to your bedroom. Let's just rescale that so that it's actually a bit bigger. So that's like that. Okay, if we click on this and then rename the plane to storage floor, and then click on the small hiding room floor. Oh god, I don't know what's wrong with me, I must play and play. Alright, so when that's done, we have to do this. Go to create an empty, rename it to floors, and then just drag it right into the floors so that we have everything laid out, so that everything's safe, right? Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me and coughing today, but okay. Alright, so when that's done, what we're going to do is create another room toilet, so we're going to make it the same size. So copy and paste it, and then drag it, just drag it about there. And then copy and paste it, just drag it right there as well. And then just drag that right into that one. So we're going to have to rename this one. So we're just going to create, name this one empty, and this one toilet. Yep. Okay. So we're going to go and get some textures. Open up your internet browser. I do Upload.js for my stuff. Okay. Go to google.com. Type in any textures. I'm gonna use first of all we're gonna do the storage texture. Storage room. So storage room. Flooring textures. Okay, that's bad. Let's do dirty wood or texture. When that's done, you should get pretty good textures. Make sure they don't have copyright on them, because your game may be sued, or you might be sued. So just the bad thing about making games with copyrighted stuff. So you can see this one has copyright because it has stuff written all over them, like this one. Okay, right, this one is copyrighted. I'm going to use this one. Actually, this one. This one looks pretty nice. So I'm going to save this image as. I've got it already here.
No.
But what I'm going to do is actually remove all of these.
Wait. How?
So I'm going to remove all of. I actually can't. So I'm just going to have to place it in there for now. And then what you want to do is actually drag this screen onto your other monitor if you have one, because it will make your life much easier. Oh god. I'm going to drag it, all of it. And then just drag the texture that you just downloaded and then drag it into your textures. When that's done, click the texture folder and then drag the dirty wood or whatever you've got and drag it onto your storage floor. I'll be right back with you guys. I'm just going to go get some drink because my throat's really killing me, and especially this cough as well, so I'll see you guys back in a few seconds. Okay, I am back with you guys, and yeah. Okay, so now we've got the storage room floor texture, which is okay. You can rename these if you want to make your life easier, but I'm just going to leave it how it is, because we've got the image, so it's good. Next thing, once again, go back to your browser and let's look for our small room. So we're just going to use a carpet. So we're going to use a green carpet texture. So we're going to use, I believe this one looks good. So save image as, and then just save it. So you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to be dragging this from the download to our textures folder, and then we're just going to drag it right onto our hiding room floor. So yes, they are all joined together, but we're going to add walls to them, so don't worry about that for now. So because we're just getting the first row, so basically what we're doing is getting this row sorted out first. So this is white. We're going to add a floor texture to that, in which our floor texture would be wood. So all of this white space here will be wood. I'll show you guys the texture later on, and you guys hopefully leave a link in the description so you can get it. So you guys can get it yourself, because it's a good texture and I like it myself. So alright, so that's it. And then we have a toilet here, which will get the texture for the bedroom and the toilet. So we just need two more textures for this half to be finished. So if we go to toilet, floor, textures, and where will we just take this one? Okay, I believe this is, yep, it's probably copyrighted. Alright, anyways, this is the same thing. I'll just use this one. Looks pretty nice as well. So save image as, and then just drag it right into your Unity. When done, it should be right there. Oh god. It's right this one, so make sure you don't click on this one. Click on the right one. Drag it on there, and you should see it's pretty cool. And if we actually drag, if we go to assets and make a new folder called Unity3d assets, and then go right into that folder and right click, go to import package and import character controller. It will take a while, and then press import, and then you should wait because it will take a while, and just wait for that to be finished. And when so, make sure you go this right here, it's on your assets. Make sure you drag that right into Unity3d assets folder so that we have it simply laid out, because it will make our lives easier if we're trying to look for something. If we drag that right into the game, make sure it's above the ground, because I've had this error so many times. Alright, so the storage room will look like this, so it's quite big. The small room actually is good for its size, so that's good as well. The bedroom is massive, so that's good. And then the toilet is good because we won't have a lot of models in this toilet, so that's good. So, alright, we're just gonna get the ground floor sorted out. So we're just gonna get our flooring done in this episode, and then we will do something else in another episode. Sorry. Okay. So if we actually get the bedroom carpet sorted out, so we're gonna use a grey. Yeah, we're gonna use about greyish. I don't know. We'll see. Go back to your browser and go to grey carpet texture. And then get any single one you like. So I'll just get this one, save image as. Once again, drag it right into your Unity textures. If you guys can't hear anyone in the background, I do apologize for that. It's just my little brother, but do ignore him. Okay. So there we go. Drag that right into it. It looks pretty nice. Don't look blurry. So okay, it's gonna look better when we add beds and stuff like that into it. So we're not gonna add any texture to white yet, because we wanted to make it. We want to know like where the bedrooms are, so we just don't want to get mixed up with the main flooring for the white space for the planner. So we should have another small room here, which I will do right now. So I'll just copy this bedroom here and then copy and paste, resize it. So I'll just go about. The room should be about this. Okay. Once again, I will just use this floor. I'll just use this floor, I think. Sure. Okay, that's a bit too big. Yeah, I'll just do it like this because it's a small room, right? And then I'll just rename it. Oh god, what's wrong with my spelling today? Small room floor. The reason we're just renaming these is if we gotta rename a texture, it will make our lives easier actually looking for it. So you see, toilet, it's right there, empty, so that we know which one it is. And then we'll have a red rag here, and then a pool table here somewhere, and a door right here, like right next to the toilet. So it's like right here, and then we will have a few windows. I don't know where I'll get the windows. I might have to make them, but I'll see. So we're gonna have bushes here, and then another house here, like a small house, and then we're gonna have a shed here and another bush here. I think, I don't know. Okay, depends how this works out. So we're gonna have another living room, not as big as the bedroom. So living room floor, and that's done. Alright, so we have that pasted, and then the bedroom is like, the living room is about there, right? So it's about there, in line with the, yeah. Okay, so if we just resize it, I think we already did, but I don't know. I believe we'll just make it like this. Okay, so I believe it was resized already. Just copy that and paste it, and just rescale it to the kitchen. So the kitchen will be about that small. And then we will have another entertainment room, like about right here. Actually, we're gonna have to resize this, and then about there. That will have to be moved. Actually, we're gonna have to stop following the plan. So basically, our plan was like this: that we wanted to have a white space here, see, but I decided, because there's no space, I decided to actually join the entertainment room with the kitchen. But we're going to use a door here and a door here, here and here. So this door only has one. If you get in, there's only one way out. Okay, so now we're going to have to go back and look for good textures. So if we go to kitchen floor textures, I'll use this one. This one looks pretty nice, right? So why don't we use it? Save image as, save it, and then we're gonna go and get another room. So we're gonna use a I don't know if there is any textures for it. Which one should we use? Let's just use this one, right? It looks pretty. Oh, that's a wallpaper. I'll just use it as wallpaper then. Pretty nice as well, and I like it. Okay, so we'll just use this texture here for it. So we download, and then we're also going to import this texture. If I find it for you guys, I'll leave it the link in the description. Oh god, I believe this is the same texture, right? Okay, hang on. Oh, I believe it is, but save image as. Yeah, there we go. I'll see. Nope, they're both different. Okay. So the kitchen is right here. Oh, wrong texture. Okay. Did I not import the texture? Okay, so we do have this one. That's the wallpaper, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to import that one. So it's 14. You know, I was gonna say, what's wrong with this? Well, we might have these type of errors, like going through other textures, but we'll just rescale that. Okay, it may look pretty. It looks pretty ugly right now, but trust me, when we get all the walls inside the game, it will look nice because everything is just laid out differently. Like everything is actually joined up together, which is quite stupid. Okay, except that. But yeah, we'll see how the walls go. If it goes nice, then we'll leave it. Alright, so if we could look back to our plan, yeah, so what we will need to do now, sorry about that, it just closed down. What we will need to do now is actually get this white floor around. So if we copy that and paste it and keep going, so we'll just do that, bang. I'm not going to rescale this because texture might not match, because this could have been made, my life could have been easier if I could just copy all of it, but I'm not going to do it. Alright, there might be some gaps, but we'll get them fixed soon, so don't worry. Copy that texture right into it so that we know what we're doing. So there we go. Actually, it can't be asked, so I just copy and paste it. Making a game is actually quite hard because what you gotta think is about taking up the space. So if we so like when you're making a game, you always got to start thinking about the space. So wherever there's gaps, you want to fill them out, because you don't, like, for example, if we look at our planet right now, there's quite a big gap here, so we're gonna have to add like statues or something. I don't know, we'll see what happens. So copy and paste, we'll just rescale that, and copy and paste once again. It takes quite a long time, I'm just letting you guys know. Copy and paste. Alright, make sure they don't end up being squashed with other textures, because then your life will be hard, trust me. Okay, you see, because what happens is it just reflects off them. Alright, so copy and paste once again. We just want to get this space filled out.
We just want to get this sorted out.
So copy paste and then go bang. We'll just make this the same size because it will make our life harder. Okay, actually we might just make that room bigger. Same as this one, shall we? Okay, remove that texture. Oops, okay, I believe we're just gonna have to do this. Just resize that. And then you just resize that. So these 3 rooms have to be the same. So it will be quite hard.
No, easy.
So there we go. And we still have that little space here, how we wanted it. So that's pretty good. Okay. So there we go. Make sure that, as I said, just don't make sure they're not on any other textures. So this is just our level 1. So okay. So the bedrooms are sorted out except for here. So the floor was almost done. Press F to zoom in, by the way, onto an item, and then just resize that. So there we go. If we press play, make sure it's not paused, press play, it should actually let you walk around. But you see we've got these spaces here, we're gonna have to get them fixed, like here as well. So these errors will be fixed as well right now, because I actually can't see them on the game. I can see them in the game, but I can't see them on the thing. Alright, so there we go, it's right to it, just come on, do that. Okay, that's done. Alright, so there's quite a lot of gaps here, so that's luckily that we can fix it. Alright, so I believe there's another one here, right? Let's come off that one. Okay. Oh, I believe this might be it. It might be fixed now. If not, then yeah, probably not here, but still. Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay. If we go to game object and actually create a new empty and call it lights, lights. If we go to game object and go to light, directional light, and rename that directional light to light 1, ground floor light. and then put it right into your lights. If we press play now, it should give us a better view of the game. So this still needs to be fixed. Before I fixed it, oh well. So there's quite a lot of errors still, and the game looks quite retarded at the moment. But I promise you guys, it will look great. It will look so great when we're finished. So this episode may be about 2 hours long, I don't know, so yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, so we do still have to get this fixed right here. But, oh no, it's still right here. So there we go, that's connected. And so is that. Yeah, I believe we're just gonna have to go around from here to actually check if they're all connected or not. Okay, so far so good. Oops, I almost went out of map there, but okay. I think this one is still, yep, there is. Alright, that's great. So far it's good. Okay, I never saw that one here, but alright, that's good. Okay, let's try it again. Let me just check here. Alright, let's try it out. Hopefully there is no gaps. There's still one here, one here. Alright, I don't know what's happening with it. Alright, I'll get these fixed for the next episode anyways. Because we're going to have to get this fixed at one point. Okay, so that's good. It's only that side, it's only that green one. That looks strange for now. I don't know why, it's probably because of the green color, but I don't know. Alright, we almost fell out of map. Okay, that's good. So, our first plan is done. So, we've got the kitchen, living room, entertainment room. I changed stuff. I might just leave that floor, I don't know. I'll just change it. I'll just use this one. That kitchen floor actually doesn't suit this, so it looks quite ugly. If we go to kitchen, floors, textures, and get, let's try this one out. Oh no. Oh, that one on copyright. Let's try this one out. Even though it looks quite like some baby games, but okay. Alright, we'll see how this looks like when the walls are put on. Okay. So this green one needs to be fixed up. I don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, now I can see it. There we go. I think. Isn't this one? Okay. So there we go. And this one. This one needs to be done. There we go. Alright, I think that's all fixed. Okay, so now we're just going to close the floors and we're going to close the lights as well. I'm going to create a new empty and we're going to place it right on top of the floors. And we're going to rename the empty to walls. So, okay. When that's done, just get sorted out. So we're gonna get the walls sorted out. So the walls will be, alright, we're just gonna create a cube and put right into the walls and name it wall. Okay, when that's done, just make sure it's
Oh my
like
days!
right here.
Oh my fuck
Make sure it's right above the ground.
days!
Alright, so if it's right here, then that's good. We're going to resize it once again. So there we go. So the storage room, if it's like this. So this is just the storage room wall.
Fuck off!
And also place it up like about there. That should be good. And then copy it and paste it. Drag it like right on this side. You can also keep Command D or Control D if you're on Mac or PC. Once again, let's just duplicate this, but I'm gonna use Control C and Control V. Okay, so these are just the simple walls. We're gonna get them laid out good, so don't worry. So that's good. Okay, so when that's done, just copy it once again, paste it, and then drag around the other half, and then it should be really like about there. Should it? Make sure it's about there. Copy and paste it once again, and then put it like right there. 2 more times so that we get everything laid out correctly. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some drink of water once again, and I'll be back with you guys in a couple of seconds. Okay, my voice is killing me today. I don't know why. Let's just keep. I think I've pasted it twice. Have I? No, I have not. No, I have not. Okay. Right. So these are just the side walls. So let's rename these side walls. Create a new empty and rename it to back walls. Okay. Above it, and go create. Right click it and create a cube. Name it back wall. Okay. So there we go. Let's get started. We're just going to rescale it once again. So we're going to make it like that. Okay. Make sure that they are the same height. So I believe, nope, that's bigger still. Right, so if it's like that, okay. I think, yeah, rescale was that it was rescaled badly, but I can get it fixed. Okay, I don't like playing around with this because it's actually quite annoying, to be honest. Okay, there we go. It don't matter if you get like slightly up or down, because we're still going to have the roof, right? I then copy that and paste it, because, yeah, can't explain it, but you guys will understand shortly. Right, so there we go. Okay, there we go. Just copy that. Paste it, and then just keep going like round. Okay, so far so good. Copy paste like right up the thing. press F to actually zoom in. Okay. That should be good, I believe. And then just rescale that. So from the end. So this episode is just about putting walls and making a level and building. So following our plan details basically. If you guys think it looks bad, it does look bad. I agree with you guys for now. But when we get into the adding 3D models into it, the game will look 100% much better and much nicer. You guys will agree as soon as the game is finished. Alright. Okay, I don't know what's happening, to be honest. Okay, just copy that and paste it. Okay. Wow. Copy paste. Let's try it now. Right, so we're just gonna rescore this one. Alright, if we press play, even though we missed out those two walls, but we'll get that fixed. You will see, it looks quite weird, but leave the walls. Okay, actually, if you go to your third person controller and go to character mode and movement, jumping, and you make sure you change the extra height to 0, in which what will happen is that the player won't be able to jump that extra height. So we'll just be able to jump lightly but not extra height. So that's pretty good, because that's what we want. We don't want people jumping over. But to be honest, I believe that the walls are a bit too small, so we're going to rescale them later on. Okay, once again, we need that wall. So copy paste, F to zoom in, and let's just rescale it so that it matches that side there. And then copy and paste that one and rescale that so that it matches that one there. When that's done, that's good. You don't need to worry about these walls here because we're going to get them sorted out soon. Don't need to worry about these walls either because they're going to be sorted out as well. But we do need to get this one sorted out. So copy paste and then just drag it up so that it's there. Okay. We will need that wall, to be honest, I believe. And we're just going to have to rescale it. So just drag it right there. Have to zoom in once again, and then yeah, just rescale it to about there. But no, then that's good. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. So we still have this little room here. So I believe it's just that. So copy that, and then just drag it, and we're just gonna have to rescale it a bit. From there to here, just copy and paste it, drag it on the other side. Okay, and then just copy and paste it once again. Rescale it. Oops, I've done the wrong thing. Rescale it this way, so that is just like that. That's pretty cool. Okay. So when that's done, we might have to add another wall on this side, but I don't know. We'll see how it looks like. Okay, so let's get started. So the storage room, we want it to look perfect. So what I'm going to do is add this texture so that it suits the storage room, and when we add all the boxes as well, the room will look epic. So it looks pretty nice. If we go into game right now and we walk into this room, you see it looks pretty nice because the textures match each other. The ground and the wall looks pretty great. We go to here, there's nothing here, but we can still see this wall. So what we're going to have to do is actually do this. We're going to have to rescale this. So if we go above it, look from above, and actually rescale it to about there, and then copy and paste this wall and drag it right towards the building. Just drop a random texture so that you know it's different wall, and when that's done you should be able to see it difference. So if we try that, so this is just for an example to show you guys how you can fix these problems. So there's two different walls, right? So we've got one here and then another one here. The small room will be dark, so I'm going to change the texture to black so that it's completely dark. And we are also going to be adding torches, and I don't know, I'll get this camera fixed just because it's right in front of you, so I'll show you guys how to get this camera fixed as well, going through walls. I don't know what's happening with this stupid thing here, but I'll get that fixed as well. So if we go and actually import a new asset, you can get these textures off anywhere. So I've got these off the internet, so if we go there and actually just make sure this is all completely black, so
Racism.
that it's dark.
Racist.
Oh, this wall is a bit too massive.
Racist.
So let's just rescale this.
Racist.
I just realized actually that this wall is like right here, so there we go. Okay. Alright, so that's done. I believe this, yeah, no, actually, there we go. Okay, so when that's done, just make sure I'm gonna try getting these fixed actually. It's actually quite annoying, I have to say. Okay. So there we go, this wall is still, okay, there we go. Alright, so what we're doing now is getting this wall fixed right here, so that's calm. And when that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to get the torch sorted out as well. So let's just close everything up, and we go to our first player, and actually get go to object, game object, and go to light, point light. Is it? I believe it's not point light. It's there. It's spotlight. So if we actually rotate that towards like there, because that's what we want. We want to like right in front of us, right? So that's good. Right. So now. Okay, I'll just get the code sorted out and go take it to actually flashlight, rename it to flashlight. When that's done, just do what we need. Okay, so what we're gonna need is actually get the range sorted out. So we're gonna take about 15. So that's good. Right, now we're just gonna go to assets, create a new folder, and make it and call it scripts. Double click the folder and you want to go to create and create a JavaScript. Rename it to flashlight, and when that's done just open it up. Just wait for it to load up and just follow this code. I will not leave any codes for this in the description, but in my next episodes I will, as they will be getting harder and harder. Okay, so remove everything that's here and create a new function. So it's function update. Okay. Function. Make sure you spell it right. And then type in if Input.GetKeyDown. No, I mean get key down, and this is basically whatever you want the key to be. So I'm not gonna do F for this, for the flashlight, but I'm gonna do, actually I might, I'll just do F for this. Okay, okay, so when that's done, just do that, and we're gonna create a new if. So if oh god, if bracket light dot enabled equals, make sure there's two equals because JavaScript is actually hard with yeah, it's really tough with codes, so you spell it wrong it won't work. So if light.enabled equals true, then, or actually no, just do the same thing but then light.enabled equals false, else light.enabled equals true. So what's happening is if you press F, so your key down F, it will enable the light to true. Meanwhile it's disabled, so you can either turn it on or turn it off, but if it's turned off then it will turn it on. So if we save the script and we drag it right to our flashlight, and then flashlight right into our main camera, if we play it, okay, we've got an error. We've got an error. Oh. There we go. Oops. Save it. Once again, we've got another error. Save that. Okay, I'm getting quite a lot of errors. Just right. Found else. Okay, I don't actually know what's the problem, to be honest. If we clear it, expecting, oh no. Okay, so basically we just forgot to do one thing, so else is also expecting a okay, so there we go. That should be fine. Expecting a clue. There's another bracket up. Okay. There we go. That should be done. Nope. Okay, oh, there we go. It's gone. So now, if you flashlight script, okay, to be honest, right. So we've got one error, we've got all the errors fixed, and if we actually run it, let's see if it works actually. Oh no, so we've got the light sorted out, so the torch is with us. To be honest, it's terrible. So I'll actually get the script fixed. Okay, true. Actually, this script is terrible. So hang on. So function update. Function update. Alright, so we're actually not going to be using JavaScript because I just realized that it doesn't work. So just delete it, create a new script called, make sure it's C# though, and once again call it flashlight. Double click it and just do follow. So okay, so just leave it how it is, and if we go to under public class, actually do public flashlight object object. Okay, when that's done, just go down, just remove this, remove all of these because we don't actually need them. And then void start, you want to type in a flashlightObject.enabled equals false, because we don't want it to be turned on, right? So we want it to be turned off. So what's this saying? If whenever the game starts, the flashlight will be turned off. So yeah. And then if you go to void update and type in if bracket Input.GetKeyDown and keycode bracket keycode, apologize for that, keycode dot anything you want, so anything you want it to go the light on. So I'm going to use F for example, and then just close two brackets, press enter, make sure you create a new app. So if flashlight actually if flashlight object, I don't know what's wrong with me and my spellings today, object.enabled equals false. I really do apologize for my spelling today. I don't know what's wrong with it. But yeah. So once again, but make sure is equals true. Flashlight object.enabled equals false. Oh, true. I mean true. And then close it, and then else. Open it once again. Else flashlight object.enabled equals false. Okay. If we believe that was fine. Okay, so we're just gonna have to close certain of these brackets, right? Okay. So that one is we don't need that one, do we? So that one is that one, that one is that one. Alright, so if we save it and actually drag this script onto your flashlight. No, I mean your main camera, sorry. Main camera. And then remove that one there. So we remove this one, go to your main camera. It should actually... Okay, something ain't right, but let's try it. Okay, so we've got certain errors. Expecting. Alright, so it's expecting it. Oh. Alright, no, no. It's expecting. Yeah. So save. And now it's expecting a bracket somewhere, which we actually did forget. Okay, so there we go. Save it once again. We should wait. There we go. So now it's looking for a flashlight object, so we're just going to get our flashlight right into there. And if we play it, you should realize that our flashlight is turned off. But if we press F, it will just turn it straight on. And wherever we go, we can actually see it, even though at the moment it's quite bad. But I'm going to get this fixed, so, oh god. Just, okay. So, flashlight, we're just going to have to get this sorted out. Actually, then. Alright, so I believe it should be good now, it should be bright. Let's try this out now. F, yep, there we go. It should be nice. So this should be black, but somehow it's red for me, which is actually quite good. Because let's say you're trying to go in there and you're just hiding basically. So like, yeah. This will be looking better when we get the roof on as well. So just ignore that. So we can turn it on and turn it off, which is great. So that's good. Okay, that's good then. Okay. So we've got our hiding room. Okay, now what we've got to do is just actually change this texture from now, as we're going to have to fix the walls. So assets, textures, and we're just going to use this one to change it. So, like as I said, resize it. Okay. Okay, so there we go. And if we get okay. Alright, there we go. So we're just gonna get these walls fixed before we get into anything else, so yeah. Just resize it. Okay. Alright then. Let's try these. Nah. We're gonna have to change these. Or should we just leave it? Okay, we're just gonna have to get the wall sorted out. So if we go back to the browser, not this one. There we go. It's right here. Okay, so if we get toilet, wall, papers, textures. So which one should we use? Should we just use... I have to find a similar one. So I might just... Is this the floor? No, it's wallpaper. Okay, let's just try this one out. Okay, there we go. Get that one right in there. So these are the walls. Copy, paste, and resize it. Just like that. Get the texture removed. Oh god. So I'm just gonna have to do that now. So I know that this one is being changed. Okay then, that's pretty good. The game is looking pretty good as well so far. Okay, let's just get this one fixed as well. So about there. Yep, we do. Okay, never mind. Don't worry, it's fixed. Alright, so when that's done, that's pretty cool, right? It's looking better than it looked at first. But we are also going to need these walls, so we're just going to copy and paste it, and then just drag it right into that. Same with these, copy, paste, and then just drag it right into there. Copy, paste. God. Okay, this one will take time, but there we go. Oh no. Oh god. So just drag it like right there. So once again, we're just gonna use the same texture for this wall and for this little room. Because yeah, if the floor is like this, why don't the whole thing be like this? Okay, so there we go. That's looking pretty good, right? Okay then. We're still gonna have the wall here, so don't worry about this little space pin there, but yeah. This one copy paste. I'm actually gonna have to add one here. Same as this one, copy paste once again, right here. Okay, so if we go get some entertainment room sorted out, so entertainment room. Let's see. See for any ideas. So yeah, TV stuff like that. Yeah, okay, I've got some good ideas for it now. Okay, so for the walls, let's see. What about this one? Alright, this one looks pretty good, so I'm just gonna save it. Copy and paste into that one. So there we go, just in case we have that one. Okay. Peach. Wall texture. What about this one? Let's try this one out. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is over now. So it's going pretty good so far. I don't want to mess up anything. So there we go. Yeah, the wall looks pretty nice, to be honest. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. That's pretty nice. You know, we might just make the floor the same, because it looks nicer. I just got okay. We'll use peach for this one as well. Okay, there we go. And then the oh my god. Oh, okay. So now we will need a kitchen wallpaper. Textures. Make sure you always add textures, otherwise it won't find it for you. So I'll just use this one. So yeah, as much as that is wallpaper, so why not just use it, keep it the same, right? Okay. Okay, I don't know what's happened, to be honest. Okay, there we go. Okay. So let's try it out. So there we go. Dark room. I gotta get the torch fixed, because it's actually bad. So I get that fixed. Bedroom, which we will be adding textures soon. Not texture, but I mean 3D models. Toilet, which is actually good, to be honest. And for a start, this is a good game designing level. So we've got the entertainment room here, which we will be adding like different type of stuff, so you guys will see. And then we have a kitchen as well, so it looks pretty nice. The floor matches the wallpaper, and the wallpaper matches the ground. And then yeah, this peach wall is actually great, so that's good. So yeah, the house is almost done during the plan. So all we got to do now is just get these walls sorted out. So we're just going to copy and paste them actually and just drag them towards us. We're going to leave a distance for those walls. Okay. Okay. So if we do that, just so our player fits through, then so we'll just leave the door about here. Get that done. Okay. So just make it perfect.
Słuchaj, masz natychmiast przestać albo gorzko tak... O, przepraszam, drugie połączenie. Halo? Przepraszam, na czym skończyliśmy?
Okay.
Twoim zdaniem to jest zabawne w Woodfordzie?
So copy paste.
Jest zabawna. Pomyśl, ile byśmy mieli radochy, gdyby był jeszcze większy. Okej.
So there we go.
Smakowity koktajl? Wiesz, czego tu brakuje? Mega ostrego kary.
Alright, so this door will be like right in the middle. Okay, so like about there. And copy and paste that one. Like right towards the end. And once again we're gonna have to get this fixed up, so copy and paste that as well. Hopefully our player will be able to fit through though, because if not then that will be quite annoying. So let's just rescale this to about here.
Dziecko musi mieć imię. Tak, zdecydowanie. Nasze nazywa się Korki. Czemu akurat Korki? Po prostu czuję, że to chłopiec. Tylko ciekawe, że...
Okay. So there we go. Copy and paste that as well. Just drag it right onto the other half. And then just rescale it from the door. Okay. Let's try it out. Let's see if we can go through. So yeah, we fit underneath, that's great. This one as well. Oops, this one doesn't. Okay. So we're gonna have to get this one fixed. Okay, so it's this one, right? Okay, so there we go. Yes, I know we did realize quite a lot of errors over here near this wall. But yeah, we're gonna get all the errors fixed in another episode. But this is just a simple episode, and we're just following our plan. So we just got the wall sorted out. The next episode will be all about modeling and adding prefabs to our game, such as the bed, for example. So okay. This will take another few minutes, so I don't want to waste normal time, so I'll just get into it and I'm not going to be speaking, so yeah.
Puszczaj, Craig! Przestań ciągnąć, wyciśniesz go ze mnie! Sam przestań! Zaraz wyskoczy! Nie mogę go zatrzymać, Craig! Co my teraz zrobimy? W tej sytuacji można zrobić tylko jedno! Mama! Craig! Czuję, że już blisko! Gdzie mama? Podobno w drodze! Trzymaj się, znajdę coś, żeby go zatrzymać! Zrób coś! Uwaga!
Alright, so what we're doing now is actually adding the main textures to the game, so they're inside of the thing. So, for example, this one will be main. Yeah, so like that. And we're gonna rename. We're gonna change the textures of the outside in a minute. So yeah, just stay tuned and stand back. Whoops, I've done the wrong thing here. So, yeah. Apologies for that. Okay. Toilet. And that's the last wall before. Yeah, there's one more wall. And then, yeah. It's gonna be the hardest bit, making the models. So just before another episode, I am informing you guys that it will take quite a long time before finishing this game. Yeah, I believe this is good. So now we're just gonna have to take these right inside the building and just resize these. So the walls will be just like that. So let's try this out during making the walls like this. Oh no. Oh wow, I actually forgot about these walls. So copy paste and then like right in. Copy paste like right inside as well. And outside should be peach. Okay. Right, let's just resize this. Okay, there we go.
Duchy się tak nie wydzierają. A ty co, nagle jesteś ekspertem od duchów? Ekspertem? Tak! Kiedyś byłem zawodowym łowcą duchów. Nie wierzę. Przysięgam. I wierz mi, duchy się tak nie wydzierają. Okej. Ale nie mów nikomu, że boję się duchów, dobra? Jasne. Ale spokojnie, jeśli jakiś duch się tu zjawi, zapragnie umrzeć i stać się duchem. Wow. Podwójna śmierć. Megan! Już woda! Czekaj! Zapomniałem, że mam je pod spódniczką. Ładuj broń!
Okay, there we go. That looks nice, huh? Okay, so that looks pretty nice. So we've got this sorted out. And this as well. So we just got this wall done. And then, I don't know. Let's just try this out, make sure we can go through all the doors. So there we go. So this looks pretty nice, right? We just gotta fix this light torch. And we're gonna have to get some of these textures fixed as well, these walls. So I'll get that fixed within the next episode or before starting the next episode, I don't know. Right, so this is another storage, which I said, we'll leave it like that. Bedroom. So we've got a toilet here. Okay, now we'll need fixing. Okay, we'll fix that. Okay, I think I'm stuck in it. Am I stuck in it? Am I really stuck in it? I believe I'm stuck in it. So I'll just get it fixed right now. Just move it up. Like about there. Okay, there we go. We should hopefully be able to go through that right now. So we can go through this one. I believe we should add another door right there, right? So we can go to the kitchen instead of having one exits. One exits, one doors. We'll only enter and move out. We can have two at least. So this still needs to be moved down as well. Yeah, that's cool. We can get in there and come back out. Alright, so that's pretty good, right? So just to make the level look nicer, before starting the next episode, if you go to edit and actually render settings and press on skybox material, you will have no skybox. So if you go back to assets, Unity3d assets, and import, right click, import package, and skyboxes. When you do that, just make sure you press import again and just wait. It takes time to actually import all the skyboxes, but there's only a few, so it won't take that long. Okay, so if you go back to standard assets, actually, no. If you go back to edit and then render settings, materials, skybox, and list, I'll do a airy skybox because it looks nice. So if we play now, the game looks way much nicer, and yeah, even though there's quite a lot of errors, mistakes in this game, in this level. I'll get the camera fixed in the other episode. So yeah, I'll get all these textures sorted out before starting the next episode, or actually during the next episode. But yeah, I think this is the end for this episode. It was about an hour and 23 minutes. But if you guys enjoyed it, and if this helped you out a lot, please do subscribe to stay tuned with all the rest of the episodes. And if you guys want another episode, thumbs up so that we know you guys are watching this video and you are waiting for another episode. If you have any questions about making a game, any game designs, 3D models, or any ideas, comment them below and I'll give you guys feedback on them. And if you are a game developer, then comment below as well so that we know that you are a game developer and you might be able to help out with this game and other people. So, my name was Damien. This is the first episode and the first video for the new channel called Let's Program Team. This programming channel is just to help you guys understand programming. And we will be doing other programming languages. But anyways, this is the game video, so yeah, if you guys are waiting for the next episode, I will see you guys back then. And yeah, the next episode we will be actually looking at adding prefabs to the game, adding the boundaries such as the walls and the roof. We might be using SketchUp 4D to actually improve this level in the next episode, but I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please do thumbs up, subscribe to stay tuned for other episodes or any programming. So yeah, we'll be showing you guys also how to create your own hacks and your own program. So yeah, this was me for today. For now, I might be uploading another episode later on today. I'm not sure, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed, please do thumbs up, comment below any ideas, any questions, anything about this game. And yeah, subscribe to stay tuned with everything, every single program. But I'll see you back next time, and peace!